Double hookup. Okay, double hookup. Yeah.
Does he look back?
Yeah.
This is a big one. I mean,
Is it?
he's just holding on. Snakes shouldn't come close.
Oh, look at that.
Snakes shouldn't come close at all.
Together.
Double hook up.
Yeah, double hookup. By Mark and Vincent.
Oh, you're kidding. You're not going to run again, are you?
Never mind. Plenty of line.
Plenty that.
Yeah, double hookup now.
Come on.
Come on. Give me a back to back. Come on. Vincent,
Oh!
give me a back to back, please. Back to back, Mark. Back to back.
Back to back. Bring it back to back.
Yeah, back to back, yeah. Yeah.
This is for advertising.
You've got to come and do this.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
But you're going to have to move on.
Yeah, you have got to change position. Yeah, it's alright. Change position, okay?
You're going to go out to the right, mate?
Yeah, never mind.
Just watch your footing.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah.
It's not doing any. Can't seem to press the button.
Yeah, go to the back. Vincent? Oh,
Yep,
never mind.
pulling.
Oh, be careful. The hook's on your slippers. Yeah.
Sarkis,
Yeah, mate.
would you mind taking the fish hook out of my shoe?
Yeah. Take it out, yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Thank you.
Geez, I hope I haven't cut off this point.
No, it's right.
I don't want a photo.
Mark, never mind, Mark, you take this, Mark, I think we are going to land yours first because yours is nearer, and Vincent one comes later, okay?
Maybe. This is give up. Really, mate.
Here's mine here, look at this.
Near? Yours is near, okay, never mind, bring it in.
Well, we don't want both in now.
Yeah.
Both yours out there, mate.
Oh, look
Yeah. Watch out, coming. Reel. Keep the line, reel. Reel.
You leave yours out there, mate.
Oh, look at that.
Reel.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, ready? Yo, just get my. Put the rod on the hole, Put the rod in the hole there, yeah.
And shut the barrel up.
Oh, look at him.
Wow, beautiful.
Okay, you just keep.
Yeah, I'll keep one.
Yeah, you ready?
Okay, ready?
Look at this.
Put up the seal. Yes.